Take that off. Get your hole saw. Get a Phillips head bit. And take out the flathead. You want to drive these screws in. Turn down the clutch. Keep good pressure so you don't strip out the screws. And then for these, you really want to line up the holes, so you got to kind of feel them. I'm going to do them with a screwdriver by hand first. It's a little tricky part. You guys just got to line it up, and you got to get it. Okay, I'm not getting it. It's not very easy, actually. It's not getting in there for some reason. It's hard to see where without putting my head in front of the camera. Can't see actually where I need another light. And I got a little flashlight here. Okay. Do line one of them up. I'll drop that actually. Nope, that's not the right way. That feels like that might be it. Nope, that's not it. Huh. There we go, there's one. When you get one, make it easier to get the other. Up. Let's get the other one in. That looks like that's gonna go. Use your other hand to help speed that up. Snug it up, make sure it rotates while you're snugging it. You don't snug it too tight that you bind up the lock. Keep snugging. That's good. Snug up the other one. Like I said, don't bind up the lock. That's good. Re-snug that one. And done. Okay. That's good. Time to test the keys out. Let's see. Let's lock it. Go to the other side. Hi. It works. And that's that easy.